You are welcome to contest number 4 of the 2025 Gold Regional Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz in the Ashanti region. This contest is featuring Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, Sims Senior High School, Kumasi Secondary Technical School, and Ejisuman Senior High School. Representing the Effiduase Senior High Commercial School are
Ajikum Henry
and
Asumeadu Florentine Ajiman.
Sims Senior High School is represented by
Dutz Daniel
and
Ignatius Odro.
Kumasi Secondary Technical School is represented by
Kwame Akiokun Ketia
and
True Christian Tufo.
then we have Ejisuman Senior High School being represented by
Boampon Samuel.
and
Makofi Sotobe.
so gentlemen, you are welcome. The Gold Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Gold PLC with support from Momo, by MTN and Joy News. We say a big thank you to Charles for preparing our contestants to be here with us for the competition. My name is Dr. Gladys Ode Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 4 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules. But in all rounds, you're going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 10 seconds for questions not involving calculations, and 30 seconds for questions involving calculations. Should you be asked to repeat an answer, please repeat, don't change. In round 1, each school gets a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point, or lose a point when they are wrong. If you ring the bell before the answer given is determined to be wrong, or before the bell goes out on them, the school that got the question, you won't be given the opportunity to answer, so kindly take note. I wish you all the best, but before we start, let's make sure our bells are working well. Let's hear from Effiduase, Sims, Kumasi Sec Tech, Ejisuman. All our bells are working. Please, you just press once and you leave it. We are starting our first round with Effiduase Senior High Commercial School. Preamble to all schools. For the given set of quantum numbers for a single atomic electron, identify a quantum number that is invalid, if any. Those sitting down, please sit quietly. For the given set of quantum numbers for a single atomic electron, identify a quantum number that is invalid, if any. If you just say n equals 3, L equals 2, M1 equals 2, M2 equals plus 1. So ML equals 2, MS equals plus 1. Henry.
We have MS is equal to plus 1.
MS is correct. Sims. Audience, as soon as you hear me call out the second school, you stop clapping or jubilating, okay? Thank you. Sims. N equals 2. L equals 2. ML equals 0. MS equals -1/2. Go ahead, Dut.
L equals 2.
L is correct. Kumasi Sectec. N equals 4. L equals 1. ML equals -2. MS equals +1/2.
So all of them are valid.
Incorrect. Effiduase.
ML equals -2.
ML is correct. Ejisuman. N equals 1. L equals 0. ML equals 0. MS equals +1/2.
We have ML equals 0.
Incorrect. Sims.
All are possible.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the positive roots of the given equation if one root is twice the other. Find the positive roots of the given equation if one root is twice the other. If you just say x squared plus ax plus 2 equals 0. Go ahead, Henry.
The value of A is equal to +3, or A is equal to +1.
Incorrect. Sims. X squared plus ax plus 8 equals 0. Yes, Ignatius.
X equals 4.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Kumasi Sectec. A squared plus ax plus 50 equals 0. Kwame.
A is equal to 15, or A equals 5.
Incorrect. Ejisuman, oh, for a bonus. Ejisuman, x squared plus ax plus 18 equals 0.
We have it to be A is equal to 6 or A is 3.
Incorrect. Sims.
X equals 3 and 6.
Correct. So Sims, your other answer should have been 2. If you just say x equals 1 and 2. Kumasi Sectec, x equals 5 and 10. Ejisuman, x equals, okay, yours was given, so. Find the magnitude of the resultant of a pair of forces of the given magnitudes if the angle between them is as given. Leave your answer as a set. Find the magnitude of the resultant of a pair of forces of the given magnitudes if the angle between them is as given. Leave your answer as a set. If you just say 12 newtons and 15 newtons at 60 degrees. Go ahead.
We have root of the expression 549 newtons.
Incorrect. Kumasi Sectec.
3 root 61. All in
3
Newton.
3
Root 61 Newton.
61. 3 root 61.
Newton.
Newtons, incorrect. Sims, 16 newtons and 4 newtons at 120 degrees. Ignatius.
4 root 13 Newton.
Incorrect. Kumasi Sectec, 7 newtons and 14 newtons at 60 degrees.
We have 7 root 7, all in newtons.
Incorrect. Ejisuman, 9 newtons and 6 newtons at 120 degrees.
Newtons.
Incorrect. Some of you were so close. If you just say, yours should have been 3 root 51 newtons. Sims, 4 root 15 newtons. Kumasi Sectec, 7 root 6 newtons. Ejisuman, 3 root 10 newtons. Preamble to all schools. Name the type of mouth part possessed by the named organism. In function. Name the type of mouth part possessed by the named organism. In function. If you just say grasshopper.
So it is biting and chewing mouth part. And it's
okay. Chewing is correct. Sims, mosquito. Yes, Ignatius.
Sucking mouth parts.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec, housefly.
So we have the second mouth part.
Correct. Ejisuman, butterfly.
Second mouth part.
Correct. If you just say, at 25 degrees Celsius, a saturated solution of magnesium hydroxide has a mass concentration of 14.5 grams per cubic decimeter. Determine the molar concentration of hydroxide ions. Go ahead.
We have 2 points.
It's wrong. Kumasi Sectec.
0.500 mole per dm cube.
Correct. Sims. Quiet. A saturated solution of chromium-3 hydroxide has a mass concentration of 4.12 grams per cubic decimeter. Determine the hydroxide ion concentration in mole per decimeter cubed. CR equals 52.0. Go ahead, Ignatius.
0.120 mole per dm cube.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec. At a given temperature, a saturated solution of calcium hydroxide has a mass concentration of 7.4 grams per decimeter cubed. Determine the numerical value of the solubility product of calcium hydroxide at that temperature.
(4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of -3).
Correct. Ejisuman, a saturated solution of barium hydroxide has a mass concentration of 0.855 grams per decimeter cubed. Calculate the pH of the solution. Incorrect. Kumasi Sectech.
12.0.
What?
12.0.
12.0. That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Solve the logarithmic equation. Solve the logarithmic equation. If you just say log base 2 of the expression 3x plus 5 minus log base 2 of the expression x minus 3 equals 2.
X minus 12, sorry.
Yes?
X is equal to 17.
Correct. Sims. Sims. Log base 3 of the expression 2x minus 3 minus log base 3 of the expression x minus 2 equals 1. Go ahead, Ignatius.
X equals 3.
Correct. Kumasi Sectech. Log base 2 of the expression 2x plus 6 minus log base 2 of the expression x minus 4 equals 2.
X is 11.
Correct. Ejisuman, log base 3 of the expression 5x plus 6 minus log base 3 of the expression x minus 2 equals 2.
X is equal to 6.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the focal length in air of a biconvex lens made of glass of the given refractive index n if the magnitude of the radius of curvature of each surface is r as given. Find the focal length in air of a biconvex lens made of glass of the given refractive index n, if the magnitude of the radius of curvature of each surface is r as given. If you just say n equals 1.5 and r equals 25 centimeters. Answer, it's your question.
We have 25 centimeters.
Correct. Since n equals 1.4 and r equals 32 centimeters. Go ahead.
We have 13 centimeters.
Incorrect. If you just say
We have 4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of 1 centimeters.
I'll give to you. Kumasi Sectec. N equals 1.60 and R equals 15.0 centimeters.
$12.5 centimeters.
Correct. Ejisuman, N equals 1.5 and R equals 20 centimeters.
$20 centimeters.
Correct. What collective name is given to animals with 6 legs?
Hexapods.
Hexapods. Correct. Since. What is the collective name for the head, thorax, and abdomen of hexapods? Dut.
Cephalothorax.
No. Stigmata. Kumasi Sectec. What word describes the single branched limbs of hexapods? Uniramus, Ejisuman, Name the more common of the two classes of hexapods.
We have class, insecta, and
Correct. And finish.
No, it doesn't.
You get more points. Finish.
This is the more common. There are two.
Okay, I'm not giving to you. That's the end of the first round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
Okay, so we had issues with the physics. So Sims gets they get their full points. KSTS gets the bonus and their own question. Then, Effiduase, you are saying for the math, the answer I gave was 1 and 2. No, I did not give the answer 1 and 2. I gave the answer x equals 1 and x equals 2. You gave me a equals 1, a equals 2. I refuse. Then, that's Effiduase, sorry, Effiduase. Please, when you're writing the school's names, write the names. I don't know the short forms. I'll get lost, please. Then Ejisuman, I gave you the opportunity to redeem yourself. If you had stopped when I said you were right, I wouldn't have had a problem. But you were going on, and I gave you the opportunity to go on. Then I'll determine. You refused to mind. In fact, you did not mind me upon asking you to do twice. So I refuse to give you anything. So are we having another challenge? Why has it taken so long? KSTS. My equation was not a squared plus ax plus 50. My equation was x squared plus ax plus 50 equals 0. And you gave me a equals 15 or a equals 5. It was the same equations, x squared, x squared. The first school gave me a equals 3 or a equals 1. I did not accept. Second school gave me x equals 4. They got partial points. Third school gave me a equals 15 or a equals 5. I did not accept. Last school gave me a equals 6 or a equals 0. X squared. I didn't say a squared. I said x squared plus ax. So at the end of the first round, Ejisuman Senior High School had 9 points. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School had 17 points. Kumasi Tech had 18 points. And Sims had 19 points. We continue. The bell went. We are entering the second round, which is called the speed race. How fast you are will count here. I'm giving all schools the same question at a time, and you may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points for you. When you get it wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they get it wrong, the third school and then the fourth school will follow in that order, but the third school and the fourth schools will get 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. You may stop me at any time for this particular round. When you ring the bell and I give you the opportunity to answer, you have to start giving your answer within 3 seconds. We have, and the answer is, they don't qualify as you starting to give your answer. So, as soon as you ring the bell, you should be ready with your answer. You give your answer. If not, I move on to the next school if there is another, or I just wait out the time. Anytime you ring the bell, you take a point from the next school's points. So be ready with your answer. I'm not going to wait for you, okay? Good. So we start with the speed race. All the best to you. What is the molecular formula of a compound that contains 52.2% carbon, 13.0% hydrogen, and 34.8% oxygen? If its molar mass, yes, Effiduase.
It is C2H6O.
Correct. Calculate the rate constant of a first-order reaction if the half-life is 25.0 seconds. Kumasi Tech.
2.78 by 10 raised to an exponent of -2 per second.
Incorrect. I finished reading, right? A 0.277 per second. Identify the nuclide formed when phosphorus 30 undergoes positron decay. Yes, Effiduase.
Silicon 30.
Correct. Kofi is 8 years older than Ama. 6 years ago, next time, you all will go out. Kofi is 8 years older than Ama. 6 years ago, he was thrice as old as Ama. Find their current ages. Effiduase.
Ama is 10 years and Kofi is 18 years.
Correct. Given the matrices A equals I was going to ask them out. Given the matrices A equals 2, -3, 1, 4, and B equals 3, 1, 2, -1. Find the matrix product AB. Yes, Kumasi SecTech.
A 2 by 2 matrix with elements 3, 7, 7, and -2.
Incorrect. Who was second to range? Yes, Effiduase.
We have a 2 by 2 matrix with entries -3, 2, 1, and 2.
Incorrect. Sims.
A 2 by 2 matrix with entries 0, 5, 11, and -3.
Correct. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve y equals the expression x squared plus 4 over x. Effiduase.
The coordinate is bracket open 2, 4.
Incorrect. Ejisuman.
Have 2, 4 and -2, -4.
Correct. Find the change in kinetic energy when a 2.00 kilogram particle moving at 15.0 meters per second collides with a stationary 3.00 kilogram particle, which flies off at 3.00 meters per second after the collision. -101 joules. Find the magnitude of the average force on impact when a 0.2 kilogram ball moving directly towards the wall at 1 meter per second bounces off the wall at 1 meter per second if the ball is in contact with the wall for 2 meters. Yes. Who was it?
0.2
Kumasi SecTech.
0.2 kilonewton.
0.2
kilonewton.
kilonewton. Why won't you say 200 newtons? That's correct. Find the current through a 10 millifarad capacitor when the voltage across it is changing at 60 volts per second. Kumasi Sectec.
600 milliamperes.
Okay, I'll give to you. What is the position of the mouth of the chondrichthyes? Sims.
Ventral mouth.
Correct. What is the main tool of navigation in birds? Kumasi Sectec.
The eye.
Correct. What tissue is at the central core of the claws, beaks, and horns of animals? It is the bone. That's the end of the speed race.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Wufilia. Huh?
Commercial School would like to make a change. Nketia Samuel is coming in for Henry Jekun. Thank you for being with us, Henry. You're welcome, Samuel. At the end of the speed race, Ejisuman Senior High School had 11 points. Same Senior High School had 23 points. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School had 24 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 25 points. Okay, we start with the third round. In this round, I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, 2 points for you. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer and your time runs out, the bell will go off and another school may then ring to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. In this round, we usually have 10 seconds for each statement. There may be exceptions. I'll let you know when there is an exception. I wish you all the best. Starting with Effiduase. Brass is an alloy of copper and tin.
It's a false statement.
Correct. Sims. Alloys have fixed melting points just like pure metals. Go ahead, Ignacio.
False.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec. Stainless steel resists corrosion because of the presence of chromium.
True.
Correct. Ejisuman. Duralumin, an alloy of aluminium, copper, and other elements, is stronger than pure aluminium.
Stronger than pure aluminium is true.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. If f of x equals the expression to the exponent 5, then the expression is 3 minus 2x. So if f of x is equal to the expression 3 minus 2x, so the expression to the power 5, then if you just say f of 2 equals 1.
It is false.
Correct. Sims. The equation f of x equals 0 has one distinct root. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. Kumasi Sectec. F of x leaves a remainder 1 when divided by x minus 1. Go ahead, Kwame.
True.
Correct. Ejisuman. When f of x is expanded, it has 5 terms.
That's 5 terms. It's false.
False.
Correct. For this set, we have 30 seconds. And there's a preamble that reads, a 0.5 nanocoulomb charged particle is accelerated through a potential difference of 8 volts. A 0.5 nanocoulomb charged particle is accelerated through a potential difference of 8 volts. If you just say, the kinetic energy of the particle changes by 4 nanojoules.
Okay. It's false.
Incorrect. Sims. The work done by the accelerating field is 4 nanojoules, sorry. Go ahead.
True. True.
Correct. Kumasi SECTEC. The net force on the particle in the accelerating field is 4 nanonewton.
It's false.
Correct. Ejisuman. The accelerating field exerts no force on the particle.
No force on the particle.
False.
Correct. Effiduase, the eyes of cephalopods, are similar to that of humans.
Cephalopod are octopus.
It's true.
Correct. Sims. Melanin is present in the ink produced by cephalopods. Go ahead, Ignatius.
True. True.
Correct. Kumasi SECTEC. Cephalopods communicate visually.
False.
Incorrect. Ejisuman, ink of cephalopods.
Ink of cephalopods.
Ink of cephalopods is mainly sepia.
It's main. Ink of cephalopods is mainly sepia.
True.
Correct. Thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate produces carbon dioxide and a metal oxide. Effiduase.
It's true.
Correct. Sims. The thermal decomposition of sodium nitrate produces sodium nitrite and oxygen gas. It's yours, so give me your
False.
answer. Incorrect. Kumasi SECTEC. Heating ammonium dichromate releases nitrogen gas in a decomposition reaction.
False.
Incorrect. Ejisuman, when heated, okay, I've had it. All of you out. Quickly. You are all part. No, those behind there. Ejisuman, when heated, hydrated salts lose water to become anhydrous salts, a type of decomposition.
Decomposition. Hydrated salts lose water to form anhydrous salts. It's a type of decomposition. False.
False.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. There is a solution of the given equation in the stated quadrants. There is a solution of the given equation in the stated quadrant. We have just 10 seconds for this. Effiduase 3 sine theta minus 2 equals 0 in quadrants 1 and 3. Go ahead.
It is false.
That is correct. Sims 2 cos theta plus 1 equals 0 in quadrants 2 and 3. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec 3 tan theta minus 5 equals 0 in quadrants 1 and 3.
True.
Correct. Ejisuman sine theta minus 3 equals 0 in quadrants 1 and 3.
Quadrant 1 and 3. It's a really good.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The net force on a certain particle is 0. The net force on a certain particle is 0. If you just say, if the particle is at rest, it remains at rest.
Newton's law of inertia. Net force is there. If the particles is at rest, remains at rest. True.
It's true.
Correct. Sims. If the particle is moving, it eventually comes to rest. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec. The particle is in equilibrium.
True.
Correct. Ejisuman, if the particle is moving, it continues moving uniformly.
True.
Correct. If you just say, human lice grasp onto the human body. I have repeated it.
Is that the human eyes then?
False.
Incorrect. Sims. Human lice are usually in the hair. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Kumasi Sectec. Human lice feed on the skin. Go ahead.
It's false.
Correct. Ejisuman, human lice have claws.
False.
Incorrect. That's the end of the third round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
mind. Okay. We continue. Ejisuman Senior High School had 24 points. Sims Senior High School had 33 points. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School had 34 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 35 points. For the results we are having now, the fourth and final round will be the decider. But in this round, even if you don't win, there's an opportunity for you to win something. GOIL is offering the 2025 GOIL Regional Championship, GOIL Riddle Bonanza. They're offering the GOIL Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that is able to solve either 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you're able to solve 3 correctly, you earn 200 cedis. If you're able to solve all 4 correctly, you earn 400 cedis. GOIL Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOIL PLC, Good Energy. This is the 4th round, and we have 4 riddles to solve. At least we've gleaned that from the offer GOIL is giving us. Each riddle comes to all of you. I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you are able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third to the last, 3 points. Each riddle will come to all of you. You may take turns. This time, when you take a turn and you don't get it, you only sit out till we bring another riddle, if there is. So I wish you all the best. As soon as you are ready with your answer, you ring the bell to alert me. We start with our first riddle. I am a simple hydrocarbon. I contain only single bonds. I am a gaseous fuel commonly used for heating and cooking. I have 3 carbon atoms. Yes, Effiduase?
Propane.
Propane is correct. I am a geometrical property. I am a comparison of 2 geometric bodies. Essentially, I relate to shape. With me, corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportional. I am the property. Yes, Kumasi sector.
Similarity.
Correct. I am a physical phenomenon. I am electromagnetic. I was investigated by Faraday, Lenz, and Maxwell. I am the principle that governs many electrical devices, including transformers and motors. I am the phenomenon in which a changing magnetic flux produces an electromotive. Yes, Sims.
Electromagnetic induction.
Correct. I am a muscular marine organism. I move sluggishly. I move either by my ventral tube foot or by waves of contraction in my body. I belong to the phylum Echinodermata. I can rupture my body wall in defense. I bear a name, Similar. Yes, Sims.
Starfish.
Incorrect. I bear a name similar to a terrestrial fruit. Terrestrial fruit vegetable that has a similar body shape to mine. Who am I? Kumasi Sectec.
You are sea cucumber.
Correct. That is the end of the contest. The contest has ended, and at the end, Ejisuman Senior High School had 24 points. Sims Senior High School had 36 points. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School had 37 points. We'll say goodbye to Ejisuman Sims and Effiduase Senior High Commercial. We wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations to you, Kumasi Secondary Technical School. You won the contest with 41 points. For winning, you are progressing to the next stage of competition now. I wish you all the best. Thank you all for joining us for the 2025 Goal Regional Championship from the Ashanti region. Do join us when we bring you our next contest. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC with support from Momo by MTN and Joy News. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Bye for now.